everyone, we are going to see a journal, that is a management journal, which are there in UGC CARE list. Okay, we are going to explore that. So for that, I have launched the UGC CARE Pune, that is the UGC CARE website. So here I will show you right from the beginnings, like where to click and where to start your searching and finding. We will also simultaneously check whether it is there in Scopus as well. Okay, so here you can find there is one link called quick search UGC care. So you can just go ahead and click on this subject and just make it as management and just click search. So what the next it will ask you is what it will take you to the login page. Okay, and then you have to just give a login and then enter here. So the first one is what the InterScience publisher. So I'm not going to discuss InterScience publisher now. Association of Indian Management Schools, yes, we can check that. Emerald Publishing, I wanted to show this to you first, that is APJ Institute of Management and Engineering technical campus, that is APJ Journal of Management and Technology. Let us click here, right click and go to the open. So before we continue, I would like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now. This will be useful for you as a researcher. So I will be uploading a video about journals, that is SCI, Scopus, UGC CARE, every week, at least once a week. So you can find it here. Okay, of course you can find there are almost 78 videos which covers a wide range of journals. Please go and watch that, and don't forget to see this particular playlist as well, all about research, which will definitely help you in your research journey. This will give you a big change in your research, so please go and check that. And if you have any queries in your research, you can definitely schedule a call with me to connect with me. So you can see here that research queries, interview preparation tips, mock interview, 1:1 mentorship, discovery call, so whatever, you can just click here and connect with me. So let us come back to the topic. Here this is APJ Journal of Management. So you have to check first one is what, whether it is still there in UGC CARE coverage. Yes, it is there. It starts at April 2022 and it's still there in the UGC CARE. And what is the focus subject? It is business management and accounting. This is what the focus subject. So great, you can just go ahead, click on this particular link. It will take you to the journal page. So as here we are. So what is showing, the first thing which you have saw is what we have already checked, whether it is there in UGC. So the disclaimer is what I am discussing this in the month of April 2024. So if you're watching this particular video, might be after 3 months or might be at by 3 years, please go and recheck in the UGC CARE journal and check whether it is still indexed in UGC CARE, because I cannot I'm not telling that, I'm not promising that this will be there in the UGC CARE, but this is there at now. Okay, like now it is there in the UGC CARE list. So here you can see the complete scope of the journal here. Okay, this is the one on, and your, if your topic, your research topic is under this particular scope, please go ahead. Next one is the frequency. It is like bi-monthly, that is January and July they are publishing it. Great. And you have to check is what are the other thing which is important um, for the researchers, like those who are going to submit it. So here you have submission guidelines. So click on the submission guidelines. It is taking you to the format. So you can see the complete format here. What is how the cover page should look like, second page, body of the page, author, how should you refer the author. So everything is clearly mentioned here. So yes, you can see the review process may take 2 to 3 months for completion. So they have clearly mentioned it will take 2 to 3 months. So if you have that much time to wait, please go ahead with this. Okay, So this is the one. What is the second thing you have to check is what you can also check about the journal, which we have already checked it. So you can check whether they have any publication fees. So they have clearly mentioned that the journal does not have any submission or publication charges. So great. The second thing which every person who is submitting the paper in any journal should see is what is the acceptance rate of the paper. Okay, in most of the journal they will be specifying that in the first page itself. If they haven't specified that, you have to go and check if it is there mentioned anywhere. Okay, you can find it in your current issue, in the current issue or archived issues, like how many papers they have accepted. So this is July 2020. Okay, so if we click on this July 2020, you can see here that in the month of number one, Jan, July and 20, they have accepted six papers. Okay, and click here to see the book review, and they have the book review, and also you have some guidelines as well. So they are hardly accepting six papers. And if you want to make your paper, your article, to be in this standard, what you have to, next thing you have to research is what, click any one paper, go through it, like how they have written the paper, how you have to improve. Okay, everything you can download it, it will be downloaded as a PDF. Understand how it works. Okay, and then if you have even more doubt, you can use this, contact the editorial team. It is very simple, just send them a mail. If you have even more doubts, just send them the mail. Okay, and you can also find the peer review and publication policy. You have to check whether they have any plagiarism policy. Okay, how many days they are how many percentage of plagiarism they are accepting. So you can see that the review process may take 2 to 4 months of completion. Okay, so you will be receiving the evaluation report, so you have to wait for that. Okay, so this is all about this Appy J journal. So let us go and check whether it is there in Scopus. If it is there in Scopus, they will be it will be shown here. Okay, like you can see that indexed in Scopus. Okay, like this it will be mentioned, but it is not mentioned here. So I think it's not in the Scopus. Let us just go and type here. No, I think Appy J. No, it's not there in the Scopus. Okay, so let us go and check one more article, one more journal here, which is indexed in Scopus. Okay, so Asian Journal of Business and Ethics. So you can go and check here. Okay, you can check business Asian Journal of the. So you have to give properly Asian Journal of Business and Ethics. So here it is. You can just simply click here, the Asian Journal of Business and Ethics. It will take you to that particular journal. Just click on that Asian Journal of Business and Ethics. So it is there in Scopus, as it's since 2012 it's there in Scopus, and it also covers like social sciences, economics, econometrics, business management, accounting, and even more. So just right click, search the Google. Okay, it will take you to the Google search. You can search whether it is what is this journal all about. So just click here, this is Asian Journal. Just scroll down, you can see more about like 21 days submission to the first decision, like how long they are taking it to send you the review report. They are taking only 21 days, and of course it is a Springer. If they haven't mentioned any cost here, okay, it's few Springer journals are paid. If they haven't mentioned any payment here, that is a cost here, it means that they will be asking you the processing charges or publication charges only if you want to go with an open access. If it is not mentioned, then you can straightly submit it. Even if you have any queries, please send a message to the editor and ask for it. And you can find about the aim and scope of this journal. Just click here to find the aim and scope of this journal. You can see more about it. Okay, and if you are really interested to submit the article here, you can go ahead. So the same step you have to follow. You have to go ahead and check for the archives. Find the relevant article which has already published, and you have to just go through the article and try to make yourself your article even more better before you submit, and to increase your publication, that is acceptance rate. So I hope you find this video helpful. This is about the management journal. If you need more journals, comment the subject. I'll help you out. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.